Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new cleaning motivational video. As you can see, my house is a disaster. I will be doing tons of cleaning today, trying to reset my house back in order. If you're new here, my name is Sombili and I am a mom of three. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back for another video. So I always have a routine where I try to keep this house in order myself and my kids, but the truth is that some days that routine just goes down the drain and we are left in a lived in house, I will say. So today I'm going to be doing a thorough cleaning and I will be sharing that with you guys. I also did a review of a new vacuum cleaner that I got. It is a vacuum cleaner that can do both wet and dry cleaning at the same time. You don't need to vacuum your house before mopping. It mops your entire floor. It makes life so much easier. You guys are going to see the vacuum in action in this video, okay? I'm sure you guys will enjoy this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video if you enjoy it. That really encourages me to make more of this video. Also, let me know in the comment section what you are cleaning. clean. So let me know what you guys think about this mop right here. And honestly, I wouldn't say that this will replace my spin mop. I feel like this would be like an everyday kind of cleaning. Like if you have kids that make mess, this would really be nice to just clean it up at once. But for some deep cleaning, I will still go for my spin mop, because when I clean with my spin mop, I also try to get the baseboards, which this will not do for you. So I will highly recommend this for people with young kids. And the battery life is about 20 minutes, which is enough for me to clean my house, because the hard floor that I have is just downstairs, just the entryway, the living room, the dining, and the kitchen, and it is enough for me. If you do have a wider space, there are other more expensive ones that can last up to 40 to 45 minutes. So you can give it a try. I'm just going to leave a link to this mop in my description box in case you want to try it out. By the way, this video wasn't sponsored. I purchased this mop with my money. I just felt that it was something really nice, and I'm just sharing just in case you have a young one and you're trying to release some stress out of your cleaning. This is just a perfect mop for you to try out. So here is my floor as soon as I'm done, guys. By the time I was done cleaning out the machine, I came back, my floor was entirely clean and dry. There's no single streak mark on the floor. Now I'm moving over to my bedroom. I don't have much to do here. I just needed to change my bed sheet. I was supposed to do this few days ago, but I couldn't do this. So I'm just going to change it and then head over to my kitchen to do some deep cleaning.
into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been I wanna know what nobody knows. I wanna go where nobody goes. I lost my way, but I found my fighter's destiny. I don't wanna look back now, 'cause I know that I don't need your love. I won't let you take me down, 'cause lately I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been Lately I've been high. Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my you love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in 'cause you're in my feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, a ransom note. If I give in, will you come home? I put everything I had into getting you back. I was only 17, and you were the air I breathed. I walked across a burning bridge for you, for you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I paid with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars? Oh, were you worth the price I paid? Your ransom. I tried to find a way to justify missing the signs I knew. My hands were tied the moment we met, and there was more to you. You were only 17, and I was your sixth release. A hostage on a silver plate to you, to you. Those roads we walked.
Okay, so finally I have a quick grocery haul to do here, you guys. I'm so excited. Found this granola at Asda. I love granola. I always have it with Greek yogurt, but the thing is, the ones that I always find in the stores, they are so high in sugar. So this is the first time that I can see. Let me show you guys. So usually the ones that you see in the stores, they are usually about 70 grams of carbohydrate, of which sugars are usually about 25 grams, which is so high for me. So I love to do it to prepare the granola by myself. So this is the first time that I'm seeing this at Asda. This is the low sugar one, and it is so impressive, the nutrition. So this is just about 58 grams of carbohydrate, of which sugar is just 2.5. Like, this is amazing. 2.5 as opposed 25 grams that you will see in other granola. So this is a steal. If you love granola, just check out the ones at Asda. The low sugar one is really good. I've not really tasted it. I just hope that it tastes good, but I'm just happy that it is really low in sugar. I have the oat drink. I got the pancake mix. I got 2 of these. My kids love this, and I love that it's not so sugary, unlike the store-bought pancake mix that you see. This is not, there's not too much sugar. It has about how many? 3 grams. Another granola. This is for my kid. I got 2 packs of blueberries, 2 packs of grapes, peanut butter. Okay, this is also one of the best peanut butter that you will see in the stores, because this doesn't have any added sugar. This is 99.6% peanuts. Like, it is different from what you see. Most of the ones in the store, they add so many things. They add palm oil, they add sugar, but this is my favorite, and I love that it has a sprinkle of salt. Raspberry jam, tomato puree, avocado, and bread, 2 packs of eggs, and here I have cucumbers. I got 4 of these. which will mostly finish tonight. My kids love cucumbers. And then finally, I have this milk. Okay, finally, and this jumbo roll pot. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time stopping by here. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Okay, bye.